integrative nutrition health coach and founder and owner of Plant. Today we are in my office and I am going to make a cold brew smoothie. I've been kind of addicted to this over the last few days and weeks. It's delicious, so I wanted to share. So we're going to start with cold brew. You can use any cold brew you want. I'm just going to use about 8 ounces. I'm going to add in some frozen bananas. So these are some bananas that I already froze recently. I want to use like at least 1 whole banana, but normally I use about 1.5. And then I'm going to add in pea protein. This is my favorite brand. It's the one that we sell and use here at Plant. It's called Norcal Organic, and it's just a single ingredient pea protein. So the only ingredient is organic pea protein. 1 serving size of this company is about 2 tablespoons. So that's what I'm going to use. Okay. I'm going to do a spoonful of cashew butter. So this is just plain, no sugar added, plain cashew butter. You can use almond butter, you could use sunflower seed butter, whatever you like. I just really like the cashew butter in this one for some reason. So I'm going to use about 1 tablespoon. Makes it super creamy. Okay. Last but not least, I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of maca powder. Maca is really good for replenishing your adrenal glands. It has a little bit of a natural caramely taste in my opinion. I really love it, plus it's great for you. So add that in as an extra nutritional boost, and we're going to blend this up. All right, we have a really delicious smoothie ready for us. I'm gonna pour this into my glass. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. So good. Okay guys, I'm gonna go drink this and I'll see you next time.